What's wrong, Andy?
Oh, it's my,
Oh, you're not upset about me coming in late this morning, are you?
No, it's my allergies.
I'm sorry that you had to process my invoices. Again.
Hey! Get back to work, you two.
Andy's crying because I didn't help him with the invoices.
Really, I don't care about that.
No, this isn't your fault, Charlotte.
Yes, we tried to tell her.
It's me. Isn't it, Andy? I gave that promotion you deserved to my wife's nephew.
Honestly, Mr. Harris,
No, you've been working for that promotion for 2 years.
I've gotten over that, sir. Mostly. It's just the pollen.
What's wrong, Uncle Norman? Did I lose us another account?
Oh, it's Andy. He's feeling a little blue today.
What's the problem, partner?
I'll be fine. It's my sinuses.
This isn't about me and your wife at the Christmas party, is it?
Very funny. We didn't have a Christmas party this year. Did we?
Well, with the budget cuts, we couldn't afford to invite everybody.
But you invited my wife?
She was Jim's guest.
Maybe it's just the medication, but none of you are making any sense
Look,
right now.
it didn't mean a thing, buddy. So we had too much eggnog, and then we stumbled into the supply closet.
You had sex with my wife?
We were all disgusted by his behavior.
Totally unprofessional.
Look, Andy, I'm truly sorry about what I did. But that's nothing compared to what they did on April Fool's Day. A couple years ago.
Snitch.
You were the ones who told the FBI I was the leader of an Al-Qaeda sleeper cell?
I'll be the first to admit that one got a little out of control.
I was interrogated and tortured at a Black Ops site in Uzbekistan.
Oh, you came through it like a pro. You know the boys upstairs? Very impressed.
Very impressed.
I lost a kidney.
Oh! Jeez, have that drained.
Boy, those allergies must be really killing you, huh, pal?
It's not the allergies, it's you sadist.
You know, a hot shower would really unblock those sinuses.
How could you be so cruel?
Have you tried red onions? They did wonders for my mother's hay fever.
I didn't deserve any of this.
Jeez, I can't believe the guy would kill himself over a little case of the sniffles.
Why didn't he just take a sick day?
I don't know how they put up with his whining in Uzbekistan.
Ow, my kidney! My kidney!